What's going on, everybody? This is Mr. Setting 007 working on the Mercedes SL. This is how you take out the vacuum line pump. It's right here above the battery. I took out the battery already. It's, connected here. It's in a little like pouch kind of. It's surrounded by this kind of rubbery foam stuff that's falling apart because this is a 91. But still in one piece. So what you do is you're gonna have to kind of lift it up and taking out a module up top here that was above it to give it more room to pull it out. There's a module here. This I just unhook this one from the bottom. So we're just gonna kind of lift it up and then you pull it out just like that. And then you're gonna take it out of its casing. It peels out, open from the top, and just like that. This is the casing right here. That was a little piece that broke off right here from the casing. So it's protected by this for the vibration when you're driving. And this is how it looks when you pull it out. It's plugged in here on this side. This is the power to it, so it has different things that you're gonna do to release it. So I'll figure that out. This plug, I don't know if you press here, but it's gonna come up. So this is just how you actually get it out, and then you'll be able to try and get power to here. Try and see why it's not working in your model. Mine isn't working either, so I wanted to make sure I take this apart and check and make sure if this module is still working. Like and subscribe for more, and on the next round.